Yeah, absolutely. I'm so happy that you touched on these points about how you kind of got your employees on board with this. It looks like you guys did some really great things with starting off with them right from the beginning, kind of having those competitions with the soda pop cans and stuff like that. And, I think a lot of employees just want to feel like their ideas and their opinions are valued and heard and understood. So just, like you said, it doesn't sound like the biggest deal that they get this handshake and get to talk to the president, but it is a big deal because people want to be contributing to a higher purpose and contributing to something bigger than themselves. So I think those are really awesome ways to get your employees on board from the beginning. It sounds like you didn't experience any pushback from the employees. Is that true?
That is true for the most part. There's always that small percentage, of people that'll say, I don't have to do that. So from the ISO 14001 standpoint, we were the first auto manufacturer to be certified ISO 14001. So we thought, well, we'll train everyone. And then everyone will be trained on if you have a pop can, it goes in the red. If you have a bottle, it goes in the green. If you have paper, it goes in the blue. If you're taking parts off the car, they go in their own specific containers. And so we had very detailed work instructions. And as they went into a new job, they were trained on those work instructions. They understood that this was part of their job, just like anything else. And then for that small percentage that just didn't want to play along, um, we could go back to them and say, well, look, you signed here. Here's your name that you signed. And you said that you understood how to do this. So we would really like for you to do this. And I'll tell you what, it didn't have to be done very often by management. It was peer pressure. And so if you think there's peer pressure in school, it doesn't stop, right? Uh, it keeps going on well into your adult years. And so the associates understood, oh, I don't want to be that outlier. I don't want to be the one not doing it the way I should be doing it. And it really brought everyone along. The tide raises all boats. So, and it was kind of that, kind of had that sense to it. The people took a great deal of pride in their program, in the environmental program there. It was their program. It is their program. They're the ones who work it. They do it every year, every day. Every day they go in there, they're working it. And so it's to be at the helm of that and to watch it unfold and to watch people take pride in that has been one of the biggest joys of my career to see that and to watch other people experience um, what it feels like to be heard. Everyone wants to be heard. Everyone wants to do a good job. When no one goes into their job in the morning thinking, "Oh, I want to screw up today." They want to not. They want to do a good job. They want to impress their boss. They want to impress the presidents and vice presidents, and so giving them that avenue. We do that a lot on the safety side there at Subaru of Indiana. We have the best safety record, employee safety record in the industry by orders of magnitude less. When I left in 2016, our incident rate, and that incident rate is the amount of recordable injuries per 100 full-time employees. And the industry standard for auto industry is 7.5 recordable injuries for every 100 employees that you have. And when I left in 2016, our rate was 0.81, so less than one injury per 100 people. So the same um, the same amount of care and devotion that went into to the environment went into safety, if not more so, because we wanted our employees to walk out as healthy as they walked in, and that was always very, very. If you take care of your employees, they'll take care of you, and by doing that, we make a very nice quality car. So for our customers, and that's really at the end of the day, that's what we want to do: make a good quality car that people want to buy, and we want to sell.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's fabulous. And, it's amazing how, getting the employees engaged is so critical to the success of any program. And, I do recall when I was at your facility, I was very impressed with the operation.